Happy Tuesday. Gosh, what a day it was yesterday. So obviously we saw Bitcoin sell off early hours, or early in the day to be fair, and fly down through 100,000 and down almost down to 97,000 before recovering. It's recovered really well as well, and this was all on the back of the news coming out. Well, this DeepSeek Ai, obviously developed in under 2 months, is less than $6 million, blah blah blah, and there's been a big sell-off in sort of US stocks as well because of that, because they're overvalued. If people, they've taken billions and they're pouring another 500 billion into AI. If China can develop this, a more capable model in 2 months with for under 6 million, it really goes to show that like Nvidia and whatever else are massively overvalued. So, however, in reality, it looks like they are. I think it looks like DeepSeek did use 50,000 Nvidia GPUs. They weren't able to declare them because some sort of export, something to do with that, some sort of law in China. So, and Musk has come out and said that they clearly are using them, and the Nvidia boss has come out and said, it's really impressive what they've done. However, they didn't do it from a standing start. So yeah, that's probably seen a bit of a recovery. I think I will share a quick chart afterwards over Bitcoin. It looks like we might have a bit of a breakout, and this could just be a testing of the trend line, or just a high low really. So I'm not jumping in any trades yet. I'd like to see a bit of a slow pullback to 100,000, maybe even 97,000, and then we'll have a look for some trades from there. 2 trades we were in obviously hit stop loss, but that's quite risk averse in the minute, so they were quite tight. So yeah, what do you think with Bitcoin? Are we going to see a boost up from here and back above, or back up to 107,000, or are we going to go back below 100,000? Let me know your thoughts. Like I said, we'll have a quick look at the Bitcoin chart and Bitcoin dominant chart now as well. Right then, so Bitcoin yesterday, Dragonfly Doji, what a look at that, dropped right down to just shy of or just above 97,000. Could be a perfect retest of this trend line if we do move up from here, but I'd like to see us probably pull back a little bit further to 100,000, but not quite as sharply, and have a reaction from there. Even down to 97,000, having a reaction there, it'd be quite a good level for alts and a trade in Bitcoin. What do you think? Are we going to push up from 107,000 up from here, or are we going to see a slow decline and move down below 100,000, down below 97,000? I think yesterday's recovery is quite telling that we, Dragonfly Doji should see us push up again from here. So really interesting. Let's have a quick look at the Bitcoin dominance also. Lovely. So as you can see, we've been watching these sort of key levels, 58.6 and 60%. However, there is a bit of a double top forming here. At the 59.27 mark, and again, if we see another rejection here, I'd like to see us move down below 58.6 and head down towards 57. But if we do see bearishness in Bitcoin, this is likely to increase because people will go back to Bitcoin as it's the safer asset in crypto, compared to the alts, who obviously usually suffer a much sharper decline if Bitcoin declines, because they have the dollar price decline and the sat valuation decline as well. So let me know your thoughts. Are we going to be bullish from here, bearish? Are you sort of sitting on the sidelines as well? Really leave a comment and obviously follow for more updates.